I'm so tired. It is literally 6:52 a.m. It's not even like that early, but your girl went to bed at like past 2 a.m. last night. Hey guys, I'm gonna try a new challenge for this channel. I haven't seen anybody do it, but to be fair, I haven't really checked. If somebody else has done this before, please don't yell at me because I thought I was being like fun and creative with this. But if not, then that's gonna be a little bit disappointing, and then I'm gonna feel really bad.
And I'm gonna have to go back in my bio and give credit to somebody I shouldn't have been given credit to because I really didn't see it from them first, but I just have a guilty conscience and I didn't see this from anyone, I swear.
But anyways, this is going to be called the Inspired Challenge. I'm gonna pull up a random color generator, and I'm gonna go outside, and whatever color I get, I'm gonna look for something outside that has that color. It doesn't matter what quantity that thing has of that color, as long as that color is somewhere on there. And what I'm gonna do is do an inspired eye look based off of that thing that has that. So this is the random color generator website. So I'm gonna hit refresh, and whatever color I get is the color I'm gonna use for my look. Ooh, that's a fun color. Okay. So I guess this is the color we're going for, but we're gonna go outside and we're gonna look for something that has that color, and we're gonna do our eye look based off of it. Okay, so here we are in my backyard. I have to be kind of fast and quiet because everybody's sleeping, but there's a lot of plants back here, so that should be a good thing. This one is kind of close to the color, but not quite, I don't think. Rude. This is really close to the color. I think this is the closest. Oh, that's close. Oh, excuse me. I'm allergic to nature. This one's also kind of close. This one has like a cute ombre to it. That's nice. Oh, this kind of has the color on it. They're like little spots that have that color, so technically I can use that. Ooh, of course. Why did I think of this? I have a hibiscus tree shrub thing over here. All of the flowers are closed right now because it's like quiet. Not quiet. Oh my god, they're not responsive to sound like that. They're all closed because I think they close when it gets dark. So, to be honest, I wasn't really feeling any of them, but I think I'm gonna do the small velvety magenta ombre one. This one's also kind of close. I think that one's gonna be the most interesting to do. So I've just been doing my brows off camera because they're
Boring.
Yeah, I don't like doing brows on camera. I'm kind of regretting this challenge now because I kind of want to do other things with my makeup today, but I can't because I committed myself to this challenge. This challenge is also really good for probably people like me because I'm indecisive and I can't make decisions ever. So I'm just priming my eyes with the Urban Decay primer potion. It's kind of running out. So many things in my mind. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna pat that in. Oh my god, there's a... Are you kidding me right now? I'm going in with the Beige Cosmetics Blush Neutrals palette and going... Well, I guess I'm just gonna have to hold it like this. In with the medium middle blush shade, and I'm just gonna pat that in like this. Normally I would just like tap it in and then blend through, but the primer kind of dried down. I'm going with the darkest blush shade, which is I just noticed now has a little bit of a shimmer in it, but whatever. Oh my god, she's ruining my shop, but she low-key looks sick as fuck. Ugh, whatever. Now I'm going in. Oh my god, are they all shimmery? Maybe it's just because I've contaminated them all by like moving my brush around. Bitch, what the fuck? Maybe that lighter shade right here. and I'm just gonna use that to buff out the edges of my eyeshadow. Everything happens for a reason, and the reason why things happen to me is because I'm not cut for YouTube. This was never meant to be. I'll go in with this darker purpley shade. I think they're all shimmers. What the fuck? I know I said that earlier, but I'm just gonna darken the outer V, I guess. Guess we're just gonna try to blend everything in together or whatever. I'm really bad at this. Wow, this was a mistake. I mean, starting my whole YouTube channel, not this challenge, but also this challenge. I think we're at like a nice cranberry shade now, but everything is like a little bit too shimmery because all the shadows are fucking shimmers. Okay, so I'm gonna open the Morphe 39A and Morphe 39A. Okay, sorry, that was gross. But I'm gonna go in with this deep cranberry shade, and we're just gonna use that to darken the inner and outer V.
So I'm just gonna tap it in really quick.
Because the flower had like an ombre in the middle of the petal, I think I'm gonna do a halo eye because it kind of reminded me of a halo eye. So yeah. Now I'm just gonna take this really fine glitter from Jessie's Girl, and I'm just gonna put that at the center of my halo.
I see your halo, 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 halo. Hit me like a razor.
I like how it looks. It's cute. Ugh, this damn lighting. Okay. But yeah, that glitter was from Jessie's Girl. I wish that I was Jessie's Girl. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is these are the Athena Lash Co. Eykiss V lashes because I haven't worn them outside yet, and they're so cute. I love them. Actually, like, I'm obsessed with these. I need more.
I know they sent to me in PR, but like, I might just buy them with my own money because like, if these fall apart, hope they don't anytime soon, but like, if they fall apart, I'm dead ass gonna get more.
I'm using the Maybelline Superstay in 312 Golden. Guess I'm just gonna blend this out. I already primed, kind of. Like, I don't really use primers, but what I did use was moisturizer with SPF, and then I just set it with some Coty Airspun powder, and I also sprayed my face with some all-nighter setting spray. I'm just blending out the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, the same one I've been using since the start of this video. And again, I use it sparingly because it's really pigmented, and I don't really like putting the big triangles under my eyes anymore. By the way, I have concealer here because I messed up my wing. Next, I'm going to go in with the Coty Airspun Translucent Powder. I also can't believe that my lighting has not gotten any better. I thought it was just going to be a quick, like, passive, like, really bright light. But no, this is a thing, apparently. To get rid of the powder, I just keep pressing it in with this damp sponge into my skin. And really quick, I'm just going to take care of that lower lash line because I look gross when my lower lash line isn't smoked out. That's the motherfucking tea. This is the real me. Is this a regular video recording? It's my cheekbones and jawline. Not really a fan of like a chiseled nose, to be honest. I used to think tiny noses were cute, but then I realized I'm Filipina. I don't need to have a small nose. You know what I'm saying? Like, Western beauty standards, we don't need her. We know her, but we just don't need her. So I just highlighted my inner corner of my brow bone with the NYX Professional Makeup Duo Chromatic Illuminating Powder in Snow Rose. And I'm gonna hit my cheekbones with that too. This is such a pretty color. She's probably not watching this, but if Keisha's watching this, thank you, because she gave me this for my birthday, my 18th birthday, and I've been obsessed with it. Wet n Wild Pearlescent Pink.
I like to get like under the eyes and across the nose because I like looking sunburnt so whatever.
I just line my lips with the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Copenhagen. Still don't know where my lip line is. And we're gonna go in with this Rimmel lip gloss in Rosy Future. That's like the 5th thing I've dropped today. So I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like this finished look. If this video just went up, you can go check my Instagram to see what the final product looks like, or it's probably the thumbnail at this point. But yeah, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, and also hit subscribe if you enjoyed this. In case you're new here, hello, my name is Maddie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to follow me on Instagram, it's at Maddie Makeup. It's the same username as here, and while you're here, you might as well subscribe, because like I said, I could be doing more of these videos, and also I want to keep doing these challenges. So like, if you like this, give me a thumbs up and let me know so I can keep doing them, because I feel like this would be really fun. I don't know, whenever I do my makeup, I always look for inspiration in like nature, and like not so much other people's looks, but I always look at like nature to see like, oh, like what can I make a look inspired of like today. So hope you guys like this one. I tried really hard, I really did, and now I gotta go somewhere, so I gotta go get ready. But yeah, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. I would love to hear from you guys. Bye. Hey, what's up you guys? Yes, today we're back at it again with another conspiracy theory video. Wait, how does he say it?